Mental health first aid teaches everyday people how to recognize signs and symptoms of somebody who may be experiencing a mental health or substance use challenge. It gives them a practical action plan on what to do in those moments, what to say, because I feel like a lot of people want to help, but they're afraid of saying or doing the wrong thing. This is something that teaches you what to say in those moments, how to approach it, and how to have those difficult conversations. So I kind of compare it to traditional first aid or CPR. So it doesn't teach you how to diagnose or be a therapist, but it teaches you what to do when you notice things in the community.
My name is Maria Fernandez Rivera. I am a mental health first aid instructor for the Hispanic community. Mental health is important to me because we suffered a loss in our family. 8 years ago, my mother-in-law lost her battle with mental health. We were not aware of mental health related issues. We just thought it's something you have to deal with, something you need to learn to do, navigate. And from that point on, I made it a purpose, my purpose, to find out more. There is a big barrier around mental health around the Hispanic community. We tend to think that if you go to counseling therapy, you're crazy. And it's only for crazy people. It's not seen as getting the help you need, just going to the doctor. If you are sick, if you're injured, you go to the doctor. Going to therapy is going to acquire the assistance, the care you need for your mind, for yourself. It's important for the community to learn more about mental health. It doesn't mean they have to go out there and try to help everybody in their path, but focus it so they know what to do if they go across a problem, what to do with themselves, how to help themselves, how to help their family, their kids, their husband, co-workers, their community.
For mental health first aid, in the last year, we've been able to train over 230 individuals, provided over 17 different trainings in the community.
I myself took mental health first aid, I guess first and foremost because I'm passionate about helping others overcome any obstacle they have in their life. And by being equipped with mental health first aid and the tools that it gives you to really identify when somebody's struggling and what to do in those situations, it just adds to my toolbox to be able to help others more. And that's really what I'm all about. I really value and I find really important helping others. That's kind of my mission.
Mental health first aid is helpful everywhere, anywhere. Mental health first aid gives you the tools to recognize those signs and symptoms. So this is helpful in school settings and work settings and churches, community organizations. It's helpful everywhere and it makes an impact on our community.
I think by partnering with TCMF, with the City of Rockford staff to be able to provide mental health first aid to staff has benefited our city so much. You know, every day we work with our community members. We work with each other as colleagues. We're all struggling. It's a hard time right now. Everybody has stressful jobs. People have stress at home with their family, finances. There's all these stressors. And it's so important that we all know how to help each other in those moments where we face those challenges. And if something were to come up where somebody was suicidal or had suicidal thoughts, to be able to recognize that and get people the help they need.
Being able to partner with Corral Memorial Foundation is a great opportunity for our community. We're able to receive the training we need so that we can in turn be able to pass the knowledge, train others. This is very important. It's a topic that needs to be talked about more than what it already is being talked about. It's a topic that the Hispanic community needs to start taking, needs to start learning, and we need to start learning to walk with it.
So we have had the great pleasure of being able to bring it into our community. We take classes to the general public, we take it to organizations that need it, but most importantly, I feel like our greatest achievement isn't simply in the number of classes that we've taught, but it's the amount of people in our community who now have the tools to help others, and that creates safer people in our community.